Today I will show you crypto games that you can actually play on your mobile device, so Android or iOS, and still earn money while playing the game. So you can do this wherever you are. While you're walking or cycling, you just can grab out your phone out of your pocket and actually earn while playing these amazing games. So I'll tell you about them. Let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video in which I'll showcase 4 amazing new blockchain NFT games that you can actually play on your phone. So what I'll do is I'll actually go through all of these video games. I'll tell you a little bit about them first, and then I'll show you some interesting stats, some interesting in-game footage and things I think you need to know. So let's get right into it. So the first game we're going to be talking about is MIRM, or M-I-R-M. And it's a sequel to The Legend of Mir 2, and it received a lot of love from global players. It applied a modern twist to the traditional Mir IP and added blockchain technology to the Korean version of MIRM, which already launched in June of 2022. So MIRM maximized the original gameplay with 8 grid and quarter view grid battle styles, and the mandala system allows players to choose the path of a hero or an adventurer, giving players the freedom to choose their path and creating a unique experience exclusive to MIRM. Apart from that, they will also introduce the governance token Dogma, which allows you to govern over the MIRM game over certain elements, and the game token Drone. And WeMix Play, the #1 play and earn gaming platform, will support the intergame economy of MIRM and Mir4. So here you can see their websites, and I do want to say that all the links you will need for all the games we'll talk about will be down in the description. So definitely check them out, because for Mir, for example, you can have a lot of information on their tokens, but also on the story and the character behind MIRM, divine staking, governance in general. Definitely things you would want to see. But you can, for example, see the story, you can see some amazing graphics and learn more about the different places within the story. You can learn more about the characters you can choose within the game, so a warrior, sorcerer, or a Taoist. And apart from that, just also have a basic guide, connect your wallet, how to install the game, everything you need to know. So definitely check that out, because this game is going to be something. Alright, the next game we'll talk about is something completely different. It's called Met Backpacks. So Met Backpacks is a find and earn NFT game with augmented reality built on the BSC network with the support of WeWay. So you'll be able to choose your unique backpack and upgrade it, look for tokens and earn money on your way to work, or just walking around the city, or just when you're going on a walk anywhere. And there's a lot of perks waiting for you in the community, so you can earn $100 every week participating in 10 NFT backpack drawings. You can participate in the game closed beta testing. There are AMA sessions, there are premieres of new NFT backpacks, collaborations with celebrities, and a huge pack of content and gifts that you can actually earn within the game. So here you can see a little bit more about the game. First of all, it's immersive and fun. They actually use augmented reality for you to go find and earn. It can be a part of your daily life. So you can just literally, like I said in the introduction as well, you can play this while on your way to work or anything. You can play and earn together. And as I said, they use augmented reality, which is obviously trending and has a huge and bright future. Now, as you can see here as well, they have a very broad experience. So they have guilds within their game, inventory management, which allows you to do a lot with your backpacks. But apart from that, they have PvE and PvP within their game as well. So again, the link to this website will be down in the description. Definitely check them out. Here you can also find out more about how to join the community. Now, the next game we'll talk about is called Undead Blocks. And Undead Blocks is a play-to-earn, free-to-play blockchain game where players can own their own weapons with NFT technology while earning Undead and Z-Bucks tokens on the Ethereum network. And the game is a first-person shooter where players actually defend themselves against zombie waves, as you might have expected from the name Undead Blocks, with the weapons, with the NFTs they have. And the game is available to play on both PCs and mobile platforms. Now, on their website, you can find out more about how to download Undead Blocks, but also how to actually trade their own token, which is now available on Uniswap. They have their own contract address there as well, but you can also, and that's something I think is amazing, you can see it right now, you can also see some gameplay already of Undead Blocks, and I think it looks amazing. It's definitely one of the more developed NFT blockchain games out there, so I would definitely recommend you to check it out. Now, you can also go to their own NFT marketplace via their website, and there you can see some amazing guns that they already have. And as you can see, they have a broad assortment of weapons already available for you to buy. Apart from that, you can also collect and upgrade your weapon. So altogether, it's not only shooting and killing zombies, it really is a full gaming experience. Now, the last project we'll talk about is called Crypto Ball Z. This is on WeMix again, and it's a blockchain game that is the successor of the popular game of Dice, which is a game that captured the hearts of over 50 million users worldwide. So in this game, you can obtain hero stones through quests, drone searches, and ranking events within the game, and actually exchange these hero stones for the utility token HERCO, HERCO, and trade them to actually make some money while playing this game. Now, via the links down in the description, you can also find out more about what it is. You can see some in-game graphics, as you can see, some of the heroes, some of the features in the game. And as I said, it will be featured on WeMix, which is an amazing platform already. So definitely a lot of potential and worth it to check it out. So with that, we've reached the end of this video. We talked about 4 of these amazing projects that you can actually play on your mobile phone right now. So again, if you want to check them out, all the links to the website and the content about them will be down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed. Subscribe to our channel.